Hey, Frisbee, far out.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cook the Book, and on this channel I decide to find a recipe I've never tried before and a cookbook that I may or may not have tried before. Today's cookbook is the Back to the Future, the official Hill Valley cookbook. This cookbook is kind of cool because it's got different sections from the different movies. It's got 1985, 1955, 2015, the alternate 1985, 1885. It's got a whole bunch of recipes that I'm interested in trying, but today we are going to be trying one from 1885, and we are going to be making Clara's red bean pie.
Clayton. Clara Clayton.
It looks good. It sounds weird, so let's try it. I'll go ahead and leave the ingredients here so you can pause if you want to write anything down. And we're going to go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first step of our recipe is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Got that going. And then next, in a food processor, you're supposed to take your beans, 2 cans of pinto beans, drained and rinsed. Put those in the food processor. To the beans in the food processor, we're supposed to add our butter, which is 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And goes 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 1/4, 2/4. There you go. 3/4 of a cup. And salt. Salt. How much salt do we need? 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt. Okay, there's 1 and a half. And now we pulse until it's broken down. Yeah, it looks like refried beans. So now we pretty much add everything else to the food processor. Three eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk. I don't drink buttermilk. I wonder what buttermilk tastes like. Eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of quick cooking oats. Let's get our oats measured out first. All right, 1/2 cup of oats. In she goes. A cup of buttermilk. There we go. Something already tastes bad. Tastes like it's bad? How do you know if it's gone bad? 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. There's 1. Yeah, it's about half. Okay, so it needs 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, right? Yes, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. There we go, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. So everything goes into the food processor. Throw this lid back on. And now we puree it until smooth. I think that's smooth enough. Now we're supposed to pour it into this pre-baked, 1 frozen 9-inch pre-baked pie crust. Oh crap, wait, what? Oh, now I've got to bake my pie crust. Hold please. Okay, all right. My pie crust is now baked. Baked per package instructions. Oh, I wonder what this smells like. It smells very cinnamony. Still smell the beans. Okay, moving on. Now we need to pour this into our pie crust. Bake it for 15 minutes at 400. Ooh, that's kind of chunky. 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and then reduce the heat to 350 and continue baking until the custard is mostly set, about 10 or 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, 400 degrees, 15-ish minutes at 350. And then we're gonna pull it out and let it rest for 2 hours so that the custard sets fully. So I will see y'all in about 2.5, 3 hours.
Time's up, run!
Our pie is completely cooled. Let's cut into it. So that's what it looks like. It's not the same. It's not the same color. There's some crust in there too. Let's see what it tastes like. You can still taste the beans. It's weird. It's not bad. It's not bad. Pretty good. If you like beans, it's pretty good. It's interesting. That's all I gotta say about it. It's very bean forward. Very bean forward. And that's where I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it at that. If you like beans and you're feeling adventurous, give it a try. I hope you guys like this video. I had fun making it. If you did, make sure you click that little like button. If you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe. And if you click that little bell icon, it will let you know every time I upload a video. If you guys have anything to say about this recipe or this book or these movies, I love the Back to the Future movies. So if you want to talk about that in the comments, leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.